just have me on mute. The 3 days I was with you at the Crafters Convention, you wanted to have me on mute too. Oh, that's good. I'm just making these look old, more old and worn. If I wasn't on a live, I'd be using a... Yeah, girl, we know. You just had me on mute. Tell Mary to go in and come back, go out and come back in, and she might be able to hear me. Oh, now I'm jiggling the table. Having the sound going on when I go in people's lives, not having sound sometimes. See how that's bringing the texture and you can see the stain under the paint. That is what I'm going for. But you can make these as old and rustic as you want to. Hey, Lynn. Or as lack thereof as you want to, I guess. If I wasn't on the live, I'd have just took my palm sander and ran over them and done them real fast. But, you know, I'm on the live. I don't want to hear that noisy thing. I know you don't. Hey, Lynn, how you doing, girl? Hey, Kathy, how you doing? I'm just making these look old real quick. Well, not real quick. I'm doing it pretty slow, actually. Oh, I got some good news. This month and I want to thank everybody for it. This month I was one of the top affiliates for Damon Oaks. So I'd want to thank all my followers and supporters and my family on Facebook. Because I was one of the top affiliates for Damon this month. Okay. Then I'm going to take some, I'm going to find the side I like the best. I think it's this one. I think it's this one. I think it's that one. And then that'll be my front. And I'm going to start off by putting a cord around its neck as like a little collar. Hey, Carolyn. This will be the little kitty's collar. And then I'm going to just glue this down. Then I'm going to add a bow. Just making a simple bow. And this will go on the kitty's collar. Oh, thanks, Carolyn. When I do these bows, I feel like I'm all fingers. You know, hands, knees, fingers, toes. Yeah, that's me. I feel like I'm all fingers when I do these. I'm going to trim some of these. And then we got to add eyeballs because a cat just ain't a cat without eyes. And I wanted to paint on eyes, but the husband of mine said, no, I want these kind of eyes on my cats. So I guess I'll do it the way he wants it. We'll make Thad happy for this set. And there's our kitty cat. And there'll be shelf sitters. He's going to make a little wood platform, and we're going to put these on the platform. So I thought, I'll just decorate a few. And we'll have a few of these decorated for him. It's just something simple. I thought it'd be cute for our craft shows. And I may do a few of these with Halloween ribbon instead of this kind of bow. So there will be different styles. Yeah, I mean, it's sometimes this is something, you know, I haven't seen at our craft shows. And I thought, hey, we could make those. We got all kinds of scrap wood. And those would be something different. This is just one. Oh, and we're also making ghosts. And I'm going to be doing some witches' hats. And I'll be decorating them on some lives. We have one craft show this year. And I thought, well, I'll do some for the craft show. And I'll offer a few of them for sale on the page if anybody wants them on the page too. And I may put them on Etsy. Yeah, this is for Halloween. Fall. You could probably have them up all fall. Because I'm going to probably have like, I don't know, I may have a fall leaf or a couple fall leaves at the bottom on the base. You always have that one string that doesn't want to cooperate. Yeah. Okay. Hey Carolyn, you could recruit that cute little granddaughter to do some of these for you. She'd love it. This would be a good project for Cassidy. She could put these eyes on. Of course not with my glue gun. Maybe with a low temperature glue. Make sure your eyes are straight. This one, it wants to go cross-eyed. Just ain't cute. I keep getting things to go to the campground. They're probably open in Ohio this week. Tomorrow's live's going to be a little later because Thad's going to be on our live tomorrow. Oh, hey Lynn, I don't know if you knew this, but last week I cracked a rib. And been dealing with that this week. It's been more painful than I thought. And whenever I hurt myself, I learned I'd call Carolyn. Right, Carolyn? If I hurt myself, I call you. Because Carolyn, she's a grandma. She's got experience. Yeah, I've been trying to power through it, but it's been kind of tough. I have my other business buddy's a nurse. And she was busy that night, and I called Carolyn. Carolyn told me to get my butt to the hospital. Oh, I meant to tell everybody a story on my last live, and I didn't get to. Last week I went out to let the dogs out, and you know, 3 little monsters, they wouldn't come back in. So I went out on the deck, because our deck, we have a kennel where the dogs goes into the kennel between the 2 garages, and they can't get out. That's where they go to the bathroom at night. And went out there, and we have cicadas. I didn't know we had cicadas. But we have cicadas, and they attacked me, and I about peed my pants on the deck, because I was fighting those things. They wouldn't stay on my hair. It was absolutely hilarious. And the dogs are just sitting there looking at me like, oh my goodness. Have you seen those cicadas, Lynn? Do you got them down there? Those big orange creepy bugs? Oh, my rib's still killing me. But, yeah, here's our cat. There, I'll have him in he's gonna make a stand, and there'll be 3 of them on the stand, or they'll be on separate stand. Oh, you have them too? Oh my goodness, they are awful. I was attacking the cicadas like you wouldn't believe, and it was just hilarious. If only Lynn was here, she would have got some entertainment. But yeah, and if you don't want them black kitty cats, you could do white kitty cats, you could do gray kitty cats. And they're really simple. As you can see, they're not a real intricate cutout, but they're just rustic and primitive and something a little different. That is the first goofy idea I started for my fall craft show, is my black cats. I thought they'd be cute on a mantle, or even in an office on somebody's desk. Because when I worked at the law firm, I always liked to have something different on my desk. Nice to have you on, and yeah, Thad's gonna be on tomorrow. I think it'll probably be 5 or 6. I'll let you know tomorrow. And we're gonna be doing, Thad's got some stuff that we might sell tomorrow. But talk to you guys later. Stay safe, and keep on crafting. Love y'all. Bye.